Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Adobe Premiere Rush to edit your videos. The first thing you want to do is open the app, then create a new project by clicking on the plus at the bottom of the screen. After that, select your media. I'm going to be using media from my camera roll, so I'm going to click on that. Scroll through your videos and click whatever you need. I would suggest that you select them in the order that you want them to be in your video. I didn't do that, so you're going to see me fix that later. After selecting everything, you're going to title your project and then click Create. Now that we are in the project, the first thing I'm going to do is use a zooming in motion to increase the size of my clip. This doesn't increase or decrease the size of the clip, it only gives you more space to work with shorter clips. You can also use a zooming out motion to shorten the space of a clip. You're going to swipe left and right to go back and forth in your video. The clip that you are currently editing will be the highlighted portion, and the line will indicate what part of the clip you are at. Move the line to wherever you need, then click on the highlighted section to bring up the toolbar. Use the scissors to snip and the trash can to delete. Do this as much as needed. Now that I have the clips the way that I want them, I'm going to put them in order. To change the placement of your clip, simply hold and drag it to your desired area. If you do not intend to use the original audio of the video, or if you are planning to add a song on top of it, bring up the toolbar, select Separate Audio, then double-click on your audio and press Delete. This will get rid of the original audio of the clip. Again, do this as much as needed. Now, to import media, click the blue plus at the bottom. Click on your media. I'm going to go to Files. I'm going to import my file, select it, and then click Add. Now you can see that I've added the audio that I'm going to be using. I know it's not much, but these were the main tools that I used when editing my video. But there are still a lot of other cool and useful features in Adobe. Looking in the bottom left corner, you can see a box icon. This is your project assets. It shows you all the files that you currently have in your project. Then to the right of it, you have another icon that allows you to lock, mute, or voice over a track in Adobe. And still going in order, we have an icon that allows you to change the aspect ratio of your videos. So if it's a video for TikTok or another kind of media, you can change the video ratio to fit properly. Moving on to some other cool features, we have graphics. To use, simply select the icon, click Add Graphics, and you will be presented with many templates that you can use. You can move and play around with where in the video you want your graph. Click on Edit Text to customize your caption. You can also change the font to your liking. Coming out of graphics, you have the effects tools. This can be used for your transition. All you have to do is highlight the area where you want your transition, click the transition you desire, and you're done. I didn't use this feature much, but there is also a color feature that allows you to change the intensity, exposure, contrast, highlight, and all that other good stuff to make your video look exactly how you want it. Now we have our speed icon, which does exactly what you probably think it does. It allows you to adjust the time of a clip. Just click the icon, select clip duration, and change as you please. Sliding over from there, we have the audio feature. To add audio from Adobe Library, just click Add Audio or Browse. This is interchangeable depending on if you already have an audio in your project. You can change the volume of the clip or mute it. The next thing we have is Transform, where you can do all kinds of things with the positioning of your video. With the H position, you can move the video further left or right. With the V positioning, you can move the video up or down. You can rotate the video, change its opacity, flip it, and change the scaling of the video. There are a lot of things that you can do to play around with this feature. And if you make a mistake, just press the reset button and good as new. I already told you about the snipping and the deletion feature, but between that is the duplication feature. which is pretty self-explanatory. You use the feature to duplicate the highlighted clip. Then we have the separation feature, which is similar but not the same as the audio separation. And lastly, we have the selection feature that allows you to select more than one clip at a time when editing. When you have your desired product, you can click the share button at the top of the screen, export the file, and upload it to any of the media shown. I'm going to be uploading my video to YouTube, so I'm going to add my thumbnail and whatever else, and then I'm going to click on publish. Now you have successfully edited and uploaded your first video using Adobe.